Hello students, welcome to Krishna's Maths. Definite integration ro second video. या पूर्व definite integration रो first video, indefinite integration रो 4 video, differentiation रो 4टी video, probability रो 4टी, determinant और matrices रो 4टा. ये 5टा 6टा chapter हम already upload कर सारछि. राइट? आ सब वीडियो रो गोटे ट्रेंड 3टी 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन, गोटे 4 मार्क, गोटे 6 मार्क. आगोन अधिका दरकार कमेंट सेक्शन रे कहबे. एंड जदि चैनल रे नुआ अछंती चैनल को लाइक कर देबे, सब्सक्राइब कर देबे, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर देबे और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करिवे टू डाउनलोड ऑल द पीडीएफ नोट्स. So let's start with the video. The first question is integration 1 to 2 f of x dx is lambda. This is given. Given integration of 1 to 2 f of x into dx is equal to lambda. This is given. Now you need to find the value of integration 1 to 2 f of 3 minus x into dx. Property use कर दियो. This is equal to integration 1 to 2 f of x जगह कहते लिखिए 2 plus 1 minus x into dx, and that will be same as lambda. So this is equal to integration 1 to 2 f of 3 minus x into dx, and that is also equal to lambda. वो property use कर ले. Property is integration a to b f of x into dx will be same as integration a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. तो 81 थिला 82 थिला. तो 80 कौन है 1 plus 2 minus x है 1 plus 2 minus x, that is 3 minus x. यदि 1 to 2 रे value lambda होची, then 1 to 3 रे 3 minus x also have the value lambda. 1 to 3 रे जदि function रो integral रो value कौन होती lambda हैला ना 3 minus x जदि हबो, then also 1 to 2 रे तार value lambda ही. Correct? Now come to the next question. The next question is integration 0 to 7 x divided by 3, and this is a greatest integer function. Greatest integer function कौन होची integer डिफाइंड हो. ये जो भीतर जो वैल्यू टा अछि ये केते बेले इंटीजर हो जेतले x रो वैल्यू 3 होबो 6 हो. 0 to 7 भीतर केते टाइम इंटीजर हो जेतले x 3 होबो तो 3 by 3 1 होबो, जेतले x 6 होबो then 6 by 3 2 होबो. Right? So this x by 3, the greatest integer of x by 3, 0 less than x less than equal to 3. Similarly 3 less than x less than equal to 6. 0 less than equal to 3 less than equal to, here only less than 3 to 6 भितर से कौन है 2 है. So this value becomes 1, and from 6 to less than 7. So this is x upon 3. This is the greatest integer. When you put x is equal to 0 till 3, this value will be equal to 0. When you put x equal to 3 to 6, this value will be equal to 1. 3 to 6, the value 1. And from 6 to 7, this value will become 2. कहीं ना 6 रे कौन है 2 है जो, और 6 to 7 भीतर ये सब बोले 2 है, कहीं 2 point something हो, और 81 point something हो, 1 point something माने integer value कहते हैं 1, 80 point something हो माने integer value कहते हैं 0. So या को हमें split कर दवा. So this is from 0 to 3 plus this is from 3 to 6, and the next is from 6 to 7. Greatest integer सब बड़े important कथा इटा. जो फंक्शन देते ताको हमें केमती लिमिट रे स्प्लिट करिया. सो फ्रॉम 0 to 3 x upon 3 will be equal to 0, and from 3 to 6 this will become 1, and from 6 to 7 this will become 2 into dx. So first integral value है 0, second integral x, and this is from 3 to 6, third integral 2 into x, and this is from 6 to 7. So this is 0 plus x को 6 minus 3 लिखो, upper limit minus lower limit, 2 into 7 minus 6. So 6 minus 3 will be 3. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 into 2 will be 2. And 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5. This is your answer. 2007-2009. Duty jag year rastla. ठीक है? Greatest integer of x by 3. Now, if f of third question 2008 came in 2008. If f of x is an even function, what is an even function? Even function is f of minus x will be equal to f of x, and if it is an odd function, f of minus x will be equal to minus of f of x. If f of x is an even function and minus 2 to 0 f of x equal to 3 by 2, then what is the value of, so look, you need to find the value of this f of x into dx. Even function of property कौन होची, this is equal to 2 times 0 to 2 f of x into dx, and 2 times 0 to 2 is same as minus 2 to 0 since it is an even function. This is f of x into dx, and this is given as 3 by 2. Integration minus 2 to 0 f of t into dt will be equal to, so 2 times minus 2 to 0 f of x can also be written as f of t dt. Why? Because when you keep the limit same, जतबेले आपण लिमिट को सेम रखिबे, वेरिएबल को चेंज कला परे भी आपनकर इंटीग्रल रो वैल्यू सेम रहे. So 2 into this is given as 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled and the answer is 3. This was came in 2008. डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन सब पिला डाउट था कहीं को जगह को प्रॉपर्टी यूज करे समाने बुझाना. तो एक बार गोटे थर जब प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर जानिले तापर क्वेश्चन इजी है, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इंटीग्रेशन 0 to x cube into root into a square minus x square raised to 5 by 2 into dx, राइट. एमती अच्छी क्वेश्चन कौन करवा, x जगह कौन लिखवा, a minus x लिखवा. सो दिस इज इक्वल I is equal to integration 0 to a x cube into a square minus x square raised to 5 by 2 into dx. Now look, कौन करवा को integration 0 to a x cube को लिखवा x square into x into a square minus x square raised to 5 upon 2. Now put a square minus x square को t. Put a square minus x square as t. तो a square derivative 0 minus 2x into dx is equal to dt. So what about x dx? X dx equal to minus 1 by 2 into dt. Limit change करिएगा. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to a square. When x को 0 कर दिले t a square है. And when x is equal to a, x को a कर ले, t is equal to 0. So this is equal to integration of I is equal to integration of at 0 it is a square. जब x को 0 कर ले it is a square. और जब x को a square कर ले this will be 0. तो a square to 0, x square. What is x square? X square equal to a square minus t. x square a square minus x square को t करते तो x square is a square minus t, and x into dx. X into dx will be minus 1 by 2 into dt. And a square minus x square is t and t raised to 5 by 2. Multiply कर दो, minus 1 by 2 constant बाहर होने के लिए minus 1 by 2 integration a square to 0 a square into t minus a square into t raised to 5 by 2 minus t power 1 into t power 5 by 2 will be t power 7 by 2 into dt. Now integrate. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 into a square constant t raised to 5 by 2. So the integral will be t raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 will be 7 by 2 and the numerator will be 2 by 7 minus t raised to 7 by 2 plus 9, 1 will be 9 by 2 and the numerator is 2 by 9, and this is from a square to 0, right. This 2 and this 2 would cancel with this 2. So minus of t को 0 करिए upper limit minus t को 0 करिए, so upper limit becomes 0 minus lower limit. Lower limit is a square by 7 into t is a square raised to 7 by 2. A square raised to 7 by 2 minus t 1 by 9. T is a square raised to 9 by 2. Correct? So this is equal to minus of, this is 0, this is 0. So this is 0 minus a square upon 7 into a raised to 7. A square upon 7, a square raised to 7 by 2 will be a square minus 1 by 9 into this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled as this 2 and this 2. This will be a raised to 9. So this is equal to minus of minus will become plus. Minus of minus will become plus, and this is a raised to 9 upon 7 minus a raised to 9 upon 9. A raised to 9 upon 9. So a raised to 9 common निकला. This will be 9 minus 7 divided by 9, 7 is 63. So this is 2 by 63 into a raised to 9. Correct? So this is your answer. This came in 2017 and that too a textbook question. ये गोटे इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बहुत बोर्ड राशि बहुत टाइम ये जेई रे भी रिपीट हिच यार दुईटा फॉर्म अछि यार दुईटा फॉर्म अछि देखो काहे कि डिनोमिनेटर 1 + x² अछि आ 1 + x² या x² + a² थिले सब्स्टिट्यूशन कोन करिवे x is equal to a tan theta एटी a रो वैल्यू 1 अछि so simply tan theta so let us consider I is equal to 0 to 1 log of 1 + x divided by 1 + x² into dx put x equal to tan theta x को कॉम्प्यूट करें tan theta when x equal to tan theta dx will be equal to derivative of tan theta is x square theta into d theta. Now when x is equal to 0 tan theta 0 मतलब theta is also equal to 0 and when x is equal to 1 tan theta 1 मतलब theta is also equal to 1. So I equal to integration of 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x will be tan theta divided by 1 plus x square that is 1 plus tan square theta into dx is x square theta into d theta. Correct? When x is equal to 1 theta will be pi by 4 na? Theta will be pi by 4. So this also pi by 4. Correct? Now this x square theta and this x square theta will get cancelled. So 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. So let this will be equation number 1. Now let us put the property. What the property is? Integration 0 to a f of x into dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x which is pi by 4 minus theta into d theta. So this is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan a minus b which is equal to tan pi by 4 minus tan theta tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b tan pi by 4 into tan theta into d theta. So this is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4. Here is log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 is 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 is 1 into tan theta. This into d theta. So this is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 log of here is 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So this minus tan theta and plus tan theta will get cancelled. So this is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta into d theta and that to log m by n. So this is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. Here is your log 2 into d theta minus integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Right? Now left hand side I कौन थिला log of 1 plus tan theta 8 भी आसी गला log of 1 plus tan theta. So this again will be considered as I. याको पुणी कौन करियो I कर दो तो जितले को I करियो ये माइनस I हे गला लेफ्ट साइड आसी कि प्लस I हे जो तो I रेस I ऐड हे जो तो I plus I will become 2I and 2I is equal to log 2 0 to pi by 4 d theta. Right? So this is equal to 2I. I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 into d theta minus this is I. So I taken left side will become 2I equal to log 2 will be your constant and this is theta and theta is from 0 to pi by 4. So put upper limit minus lower limit. So pi by 4 minus 0 into log 2. So final answer is pi by 4 log 2 that is of 2I. That is of 2I. So this is 2I equal to this. So what about I? I equal to pi by 8 into log 2. So this is your final answer. And this is a very important question. Right? So empty Prati chapter from each chapter I will bring 2 to 4 videos. सब चैप्टर 4 वीडियो अपलोड हो गया आछी आ सब वीडियो गोटे ट्रेंड व्हाट the trend is each video will contain 3 1 mark questions, 1 4 mark question and 1 6 mark question. All the questions are from previous year questions. Last 10 year जति क्वेश्चन आउछ सेतिर मु कलेक्ट करी क्वेश्चन आउछ आ सब इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जोथि करला परे आपन को बाकी क्वेश्चन रो कांसेप्ट भी क्लियर हो जदि आपण मो चैनल रे नुआ अछंती तो कृष्णा मैथ्स को सब्सक्राइब करंतु, शेयर करंतु, लाइक करंतु, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करंतु टू गेट ऑल द लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस and join the telegram group also to download all the pdf. पढ़ुतांतु नेक्स्ट वीडियो नहीं कि आसबी. Until then, bye bye.